All right, somebody dropped a little legal grenade in our digital mailbox.
Yeah, ChatGPT for Legal Briefs by Swetlana AI.
So either we got some lawyers in the house or someone's getting real cozy with the future of lawyering, huh?
And talk about timing.
Right.
November 4th, 2024?
Like hot off the digital press.
Swetlana AI knows we're all thirsty for this AI knowledge.
And forget those doorstop law textbooks.
Yeah.
This thing is a lean, mean 71 pages, pure digital. On Amazon right now, like $6.
The price of a latte, basically.
Exactly.
But the point is, Law Land is getting a tech makeover, whether those old school lawyers like it or not.
This book's a wake-up call.
It is.
So what's in this ChatGPT for Legal Briefs treasure chest? What kind of loot are we talking here?
Imagine a research assistant,
Okay.
but like Google on steroids, specifically for law.
I'm intrigued.
You feed ChatGPT a case?
Like, say, Brown v. Board of Education.
Sure. Classic.
Mhm.
And it spits out the key arguments, the precedents, all that.
So no more all-nighters with dusty law books.
Or say you need some obscure statute to back up your client's claim.
Oh, ChatGPT's got my back.
You got it.
Okay, I'm liking this already.
But it's not just finding the info, it's how you present it.
Structure, right.
Boom. Outlines that sing, headings that grab you, arguments flowing smooth as silk.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
You're saying this AI can help me win arguments?
Yeah.
Now you've got my attention.
Picture this. You're in court.
Okay.
Jury's looking bored. They'd rather be on TikTok, right?
Happens all the time.
You gotta explain some complex legal what's it.
Yeah, that's the tricky part.
ChatGPT can help you create analogies.
Analogies.
Yeah, that make even the most brain-dead concept click.
Okay, that's kind of slick.
Right.
But legal writing, let's be honest,
Go on.
it's drier than a popcorn fart.
Ah, the jargon problem.
Can ChatGPT make my briefs, I don't know, less painful to read?
Legal jargon, ChatGPT can define it, use it right, even polish your writing, so it's got that.
Fancy pants, judge-approved tone. So it's like a grammar snob and a legal scholar, all in one.
Precisely.
And what about
Yeah.
editing, proofreading?
Oh, crucial.
Typos in a legal brief.
Big no-no.
ChatGPT's got my back there, too.
Like a virtual proofreader.
Catching my slip-ups, making things clear.
He even fact-checks your citations.
So this AI can do, like, everything but show up in court wearing a robe.
Hold your horses.
But
There's a catch.
let me guess. The robot uprising.
Not quite, but this book makes one thing crystal clear. ChatGPT is a tool,
Oh, okay.
not a
No,
replacement.
meaning,
You wouldn't use a hammer to fix your leaky faucet, would you?
well, it depends how frustrated I am.
The point is, ChatGPT can't replace legal expertise. It can help, but it can't make strategic decisions or argue in front of a judge.
At least not yet.
Exactly.
So it's like a super-powered paralegal. I'm still the brains of the operation.
Precisely.
Which brings us to, I guess, the human oversight part, right?
Absolutely. Remember, AI can hallucinate sometimes.
Hallucinate.
Make stuff up, misinterpret things. You got to be careful.
So you're telling me this AI ain't perfect. What a shock.
It's powerful, but it needs guidance.
Like a brilliant but kind of unpredictable intern.
Exactly. You love their ideas, but you keep a close eye on them.
Got it.
So ChatGPT can handle the grunt work, but you got to be the strategic mastermind.
Makes sense. But this whole AI thing, this is like a game changer, right?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously.
More than a game changer, it's a revolution.
A legal revolution.
Think about it. Your competition. They're probably already using AI.
To work faster, smarter.
And you.
Probably still buried under a pile of case law.
Wondering why your briefs never seem to impress.
Ouch. Okay, you've made your point.
This book, ChatGPT for Legal Briefs, it's a roadmap to the future of law.
Oh.
Whether you jump on the AI train or not, you gotta understand what's coming.
Ignorance of AI is no excuse in court.
You got it. So we've covered a lot here. Research, outlining, arguments, summaries, formatting, citations. ChatGPT can shake it all up.
But the big takeaway is, Lawland is changing. Adapt or get left behind.
Adapt or become a legal dinosaur.
And on that note, let's take a quick breather before we deliver our final verdict on this whole ChatGPT for Legal Briefs thing.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. All right, so let's talk about evidence.
Evidence. Oh, yeah, my favorite.
Think about it, those mountains of documents.
Depositions, transcripts, the whole shebang.
Exactly.
Makes my eyes glaze over faster than a donut at a cop convention.
ChatGPT to the rescue. It's
Yeah.
like your personal legal detective.
Okay.
Digs through all that info, pulls out the key facts, the golden nuggets, the stuff that actually matters.
So instead of drowning in paperwork,
You get a little summary.
a summary that I can actually stomach that's almost, dare I say, enjoyable.
More than a summary.
What do you mean?
It's structured, organized, easy to digest.
Bullet points, headings, the works.
You got it.
Okay, I'm warming up to this AI thing.
Now let's talk about the formatting nightmare.
Formatting a legal brief. It's like wrestling an alligator.
Messy, time-consuming, somebody always gets hurt.
And ChatGPT.
Laughs in the face of formatting.
No way.
Templates, heading guidance, even reminders about those tables of authorities.
So it's like a robot intern that actually enjoys making things look pretty.
Pretty incorrect.
I could get used to that. But what about citations?
The bane of every lawyer's existence.
That's even get me started. I'd rather face a jury of my exes than deal with Blue Book formatting.
Say goodbye to those citation nightmares.
Wait, really?
ChatGPT cranks out perfect citations, any style you need, Blue Book, you name it.
No way.
And it can generate a whole table of authorities, page numbers, and all.
Okay, this is starting to sound a little too good to be true.
There's always a catch, right?
Besides the robot apocalypse?
The book's very clear on this.
On what?
ChatGPT is a tool, a powerful tool, but a tool nonetheless.
You keep saying that.
It's important.
Okay, I'm listening.
You wouldn't use a hammer to fix your plumbing, would you?
Depends how desperate I am.
You get the point. ChatGPT can't replace legal expertise.
It can't argue in front of a judge.
Not yet, anyway.
So it's like a super-powered paralegal.
Right.
Great for support, but I'm still the one calling the shots.
Exactly. And that brings us back to the human oversight thing.
Right, the AI isn't perfect. It can hallucinate, make stuff up.
You got to be vigilant, double-check everything.
It's like having a brilliant but slightly unhinged assistant.
You love their creativity, but you also keep them away from sharp objects.
Okay, so ChatGPT can handle the grunt work,
Yeah.
but I'm still the brains of the operation.
Precisely. Law is about strategy, persuasion, understanding people, stuff AI hasn't quite figured out yet.
Phew, that's a relief. Thought my job was on the line there for a minute.
But this whole AI thing, it's a game changer.
For real?
Think about it.
Okay.
Your competition, they're probably using AI right now to work faster, smarter.
And me.
Still stuck in the Stone Age.
Okay, I get it. Gotta keep up with the times.
This book, it's like a cheat sheet for the future of law.
Whether I jump on the AI train or not.
You gotta at least know where it's headed.
Because ignorance of AI is no defense in court. Right?
Exactly. We've covered a lot. Research, outlines, arguments, summaries, formatting, citations.
That GPT's got its digital fingers in every pie.
But the main point is this.
What's that?
The legal world is changing fast. We adapt.
Yeah.
We go extinct.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here with this whole ChatGPT for legal briefs thing. But the big question is, should we all just ditch our human lawyers and buy robot replacements?
Whoa there, hold your horses. This book isn't saying lawyers are going extinct.
Oh.
It's more like a wake-up call.
A wake-up call for what?
The legal world's about to get a serious AI upgrade, and if you're not ready, well...
I'll be the dinosaur.
Exactly. Imagine this. You're in court. Your opponent's using AI.
Okay.
They're cranking out briefs faster than you can say objection.
Oh, no.
And their arguments are so airtight, so persuasive, they make Judge Judy look like a softie.
Okay, that's a little scary, not gonna lie.
The point is,
Yeah.
This isn't just about keeping up with the Joneses.
It's about survival.
Exactly. This book gives you the tools to not just survive.
But thrive.
You got it. Imagine using AI to actually level up your lawyering.
So it's not replacing lawyers, it's like making them super lawyers.
Think of it as augmenting your legal superpowers. You bring the human touch, the strategy, the experience.
And ChatGPT brings the raw power, the speed, the data crunching.
Exactly. It's like a legal dream team.
A Batman and Robin of law.
Perfect analogy. But remember, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. You're still the one in control.
The one making the decisions.
You got it.
Because I don't want AI turning into some kind of legal Frankenstein's monster running amok in court.
Nobody wants that. This book isn't just about learning ChatGPT. It's about understanding this seismic shift in the legal world.
And how to ride that wave, not get crushed by it.
Exactly. So what's the verdict, folks? Are you ready for the AI revolution? This book is your invitation to the party.
To not just attend the party.
But to be the DJ.
To shape the future of law. Using AI as our instrument.
Because in the legal world of tomorrow, the question won't be, will you use AI?
It'll be, how well will you use it?
And that's the real message of ChatGPT for Legal Brief.
Well, folks, we've had a blast dissecting this book with you today. Now it's your turn to dive in, explore this crazy new world of AI and law.
And see how you can use it to level up your own legal game.
And that's a wrap on another deep dive. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay ahead of the curve.